Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at North Park, which is located in Aerospace Park, Bagalur in North Bangalore, and this project is developed by MGR Builders. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office where you'll be getting all the details of the project. And about the land parcel is just behind me where the construction work is going on. So about the land parcel and the construction work we'll be discussing later on. But before that, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview with the help of this miniature. So this project will be constructed on total 2.25 acres of land parcel with two premium towers, that is Tower A and Tower B. And this tower will be of 2 basement ground plus 22 floors, having 2 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, so this project is located in Hennur, Bangalore Road towards New Toll-Free Airport Road in North Bangalore. Now coming to the further location and connectivity of the project. So you can connect to Reva University in 5 minutes. 10 minutes away from SAPLEB office, 15 minutes from Kempegowda International Airport, 25 minutes away from Manyata Tech Park. Now about the external amenities. So this project provides you 35 plus luxurious amenities like of you can check out. Here is the cricket pitch, open gymnasium, kids play area, garden area, half basketball court, and then comes the clubhouse with swimming pool, indoor amenities and many more. Now coming to super built up area, so as mentioned, this project provides you 2 BHK for now, and your 2 BHK starting from 1059 to 1092 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss the booking process. So project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the model flight as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of North Park located in Aerospace Park, Bagalur, Bangalore by MGR Builders.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.